Hello students, now we are into Unit 6 Part B, Or Will the Dreamer Wake? This is a poem based on wildlife conservation. In the first paragraph, we look at the picture of tigers. In the north, the Bengal tiger is now growling and it is shouting out of pain because it is going to give birth to the new cubs. And the poet says that this could be the last ever cub that would come out of a tigress because the entire world is going towards urbanization. They are clearing all the forests and there is no habitation for the tiger, and this tiger, which is in an endangered state, would someday go extinct, wherein this could be the last cub if we fail to conserve our forests. And the second paragraph, we see the picture of a polar bear. Due to global warming, all the ice-capped mountains are melting into glaciers, and this is where the polar bears reside. When there is no ice, there is no polar bear. Here, the poet says that there is a polar bear and a cub. The cub is growling and playing and it's enjoying the nature in the polar region. This may be the last polar bear and the last cub that is ever in its natural habitation, because man is so selfishly exploiting and polluting the environment that there won't be any ice caps remaining for the future generation. The third paragraph tells about the thrush in the west. The thrush is a bird, and he says that this thrush could be the last one which is laying the eggs and hatching the eggs, because man is so much using the mobiles. Because of the radiations, the birds are losing their sense of direction and they are losing their lives, and this may be the struggle for their survival. Hence, the poet says that if we do not awaken and conserve these birds, save these birds, these endangered birds would become extinct in the near future. Next, in the south, the whale. The whale is the only mammal which gives birth to young one. The whale is growling because it is going to give birth to a baby whale. And the poet says this could be the last baby whale ever coming in the ocean, and all the lives, all the creatures in the sea are all eagerly waiting for the baby whale. Maybe this is the last ever baby whale in the entire ocean, because man is so much polluting the water and so much of carbon dioxide is emitted into the atmosphere, polluting and choking the water bodies inside. And this is going to be the last whale if man fails to wake up and stop polluting and starts conserving the wildlife. So the poet says that this is the last drowning and the last call for saving. And if man ignores now, maybe the future generation would come and ask whether there existed any wildlife, and the wildlife could be shown only in a photograph, and maybe we can show it in a photograph, but the guilt conscience would definitely kill us that we failed to conserve the wildlife when they were in an endangered state. Hence, the poet insists to conserve the wildlife in order to avoid extinction.